This question asks us to determine the domain of the function r of x is x minus 4 over x plus 7. And what I want to do is explain to you what the issue is here. And I'm going to do that by having a brief discussion of division. 6 divided by 2 is 3 because 3 times 2 is 6. Right? 12 divided by 3 is 4 because 4 times 3 is 12. 0 divided by 5 is 0 because 0 times 5 is 0. But what is 4 divided by 0? If that was anything, anything times 0 would have to equal 4. And that's impossible. So that's why you can never divide by 0. So down here, what do I have? I have r of x is x minus 4 over x plus 7. What we're recognizing is the bottom cannot be 0. X plus 7 cannot be 0. So x cannot be negative 7. So my number line is everything except negative 7 is removed. So it's everything to the left of negative 7. It's everything to the right of negative 7. And then how do we express that in interval notation? Negative infinity to negative 7, round bracket, because it's not including negative 7, union negative 7 to plus infinity, round bracket, because you never actually get there. That's our domain. Now let's take a look at Desmos and see what the graph looks like for that function. So I've got r of x, see if it likes r, I'm not sure it does, but we'll try it. R of x is x minus 4 over x plus 7. And the domain is everything except negative 7. Now what's happening at negative 7? Can we see? And let's add a little bit more y. Maybe negative 20 to 20. So looking at our graph, you can see that negative 7 is an asymptote. So if I draw in that line, x equals negative 7, you can see that the graph is getting closer and closer to that, but never actually quite gets there. I can give you even more y if you'd like. Negative 80. 80, and you can see again the asymptotic behavior. The graph gets closer and closer and closer to negative 7 without ever actually getting there, because again, you cannot have a 0 in the denominator. X cannot be negative 7. So the x values you see on the graph, everything from negative infinity up to negative 7, skipping negative 7, and then everything to infinity.